you're creating something and you're limiting yourself to the rules, you're likely to have stuff that turns out kind of sterile. I like to work with my imagination rather than the rules. I'm Darrell Peart. I've been a woodworker since about 1971. Greene and Greene is like this organic creature. It's always evolving and mutating. If you really want to emulate Greene and Greene, innovate. One of the characteristics of Greene and Greene is this eroded look. It doesn't take a lot of effort, but it does add a lot to it, I think. You know, it's something that invites your hands to kind of grasp it. It's not cold and calculating. When I'm creating my furniture, you know, I let the machines do what they do best. Gustav Stickley, that was one of his credos, was let the machine do what it does best, let the hand do what it does best. No matter what type of furniture you are really enthusiastic about, there's lessons to learn from Greene and Greene. There's so much detail, so much variance of detail. It's just amazing.